Exercise 4C, Quadratic Equations, Class 10 Maths. Question number 14. X squared minus x minus a into a plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies, the x squared coefficient 1, in direct, here constant ko check again. The constant a minus a into a plus 1. So, middle term of the x ni coefficient 1. So, 1 kora make again a plus 1 minus a kanan again. So, a plus 1 minus a again simode a minus a is 0 nya. 1 dong kaya. So, this is equal to 1. Ini mana merakana? 1 ni biya po a plus 1 minus a ko second. So, x square minus ini yakpa bracket ko nangin. Ini jaude ya bracket ng arong ba? A plus 1. Jadi second. Ini jaude minus a into x. Ya x ni coefficient 1 ni biya po a plus 1 minus a ko siya ha. Karena a plus 1 minus a de. Ya 1 ko man niya. Jadi bracket na follow x minus a into a plus 1, and this is equal to 0, and this implies x squared over the bracket ko open kabo minus into plus de minus a plus 1 into x de a plus 1 into x, then minus into minus de plus e into x e x, then sign the minus a into a plus 1, and this is equal to 0. And this implies, the common ungubade x, the yakpa bracket ko nangen, mine no, ya bracket no. So the x square ko x divide ko the x, the negative by positive to negative. The a plus 1 into x ko x divide ko the, ya a plus 1 over can. The sign the plus, the common ungubade. A common ungya mana be a dunga, so a is common. The game yakpa bracket contain again. Then positive by positive to positive ungya. So the ax ko h divide ko de x to work in. Then negative by positive to negative. So the a into a plus 1 yako h divide ko de ya a plus 1 to work in. And this is equal to 0. And this implies the common ungubade x minus a plus 1, x minus a plus 1, negative remainder de x plus a, and this is equal to 0, and this implies x minus a plus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus a is equal to 0, and this implies x is equal to the minus a plus 1 equals akarashi ship kaunde positive pungono positive a plus 1, or x is equal to plus a equals akarachi raunde minus a. Taude x ni value gini mana ha a plus 1 haro minus a. So therefore x is equal to a plus 1 and x is equal to minus a are the roots of the given equation. Question number 15. 5x plus 1 by x is equal to 6, and here x is not equal to 0. माने मन येनो x not equal to 0 होसियाना माने येनो डिनोमिनेटर x दङ इनवेसा x not equal to 0 निसिया ममसलवा या डिनोमिनेटर x equal to 0 बुंजवा नंसुमायाने दिबना येनो दे ममसलवा जाजेंना नांजा ममसमते इखोसो सल्फाना नाङा and this implies that you know 5x ni khamao de maung barungja mane de 1 devne ya 1 ni khamao x tare 1 aro x ni LCM de jereke ba x an ungthela ya degemna 5x ni khamao maung barungja ni man ya 5x ni khamao maung barungja ni man ya x chi direct 5x ko multiply again you know de betong ya x into 5x de 5x square devna sin de plus tadi ya x ko ya x chi divide ka de 1 yeah, 1 into 1 to 1 and this is equal to 6 and this implies 5x squared plus 1 and this is equal to the yako cross multiply kode x into 6 to 6x and this implies 5x squared you're gonna 6x ko left side under about the minus 6x you're gonna sign the plus 1 and this is equal to 0 and this implies that the equal skam again yeah middle term ko split kai the x square ni coefficient ni the 5 the 5 into 1 khaude 5 an ya the game na 5 ni factor ang de 1 into 5 una grade ongja the game na ya 6 ko manna gida de meraken 5 plus 1 khagen ne 5 plus 1 khagen inode betong ya 6 ong ya. So this implies 5x squared minus yes 6 ni vyapode microsecond 5 plus 1 into x plus 1 and this is equal to 0 and this implies 5x squared or the minus into plus the minus 5 into x 5x minus into plus minus 1 into x x plus 1 and this is equal to 0 and this implies you know de my common ongya yegiginio skangabo 5 common aro x common ini zamanu de bracket ngao ya 5x square ko 5x divide kabo to de 5 ko 5 divide ka de 1 digumna x square ko x divide ka de x 1x de 1x anwa digumna negative by positive de negative to de 5x ko 5x divide ka de 1 dimna yeno di khaman ongbo dongja iningman minus sign the minus dimna no khaman ongbo dongja ningman 1 ko second tawde negative by negative de positive iningman yes kang pa you know positive ongen digamang x divided by 1 de x positive by negative de negative ongskaya tawde 1 ko ye 1 chi divide ka de 1 and this is equal to 0 and this implies you know the common ongbo de maya x minus 1 the remainder de maya 5x minus 1 and this is equal to 0 and this implies x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 5x minus 1 is equal to 0 and this implies x is equal to the minus 1 ko jakrachi de 1 or 5x is equal to minus 1 ko jakrachi de 1 or x is equal to the 5 ko cross multiply ka de betong ya x equal to 1 by 5 so therefore x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 5 are the roots of the given equation. Question number 16. 10x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. And this implies that 10x ni kamo mambo rongja mane de 1 arrow x in LCM de x and y. Then 10x ni kamo mambo rongja ni man x chi 10x ko multiply ka de x into 10x de betong jok 10 x square diguna sign the minus the yeah x ko yeah x divide ka 1 diguna 1 into 1 the 1, and this is equal to 3, and this implies 10x square minus 1 is equal to the yeah ko cross multiply ka x into 3 the 3x, and this implies 10x square diguna yeah 3x ko left side and about minus 3x diguna minus 1, and this is equal to 0, and this implies the x coordinate coefficient is 10 diguna 10 into 1 ka 10 ong ya the 10 ni factor rang de ma 1 into 10 aru nagre 2 into 5. The middle term x ni coefficient minus 3. X ni coefficient de 3 the 3 come another makan 5 minus 2 kan again 5 minus 2. De betong 3. So this implies 10x square minus the 3 ni biapo make us again 5 minus 2 into x minus 1, and this is equal to 0. And this implies 10x square minus into plus to minus 5 into x 5x minus into minus plus 2 into x 2x minus 1, and this is equal to 0. This implies de my common 10 out of 5 ko my shi divide kana man again 5 chi timna x square out of x ke gini ko x chi divide kana mana the under bracket ya 10 ko 5 chi divide ka betong 2 x square ko x chi divide ka x timna negative by positive te negative 5x ko ya 5x chi divide ka 1 timna sign de plus de common ungo ba dongjani man 1 ko second timna positive by positive te positive 2x ko 1 chi divide ka 2x timna negative by positive te negative 1 divided by 1 de 1, and this is equal to 0. And this implies de common ungo ba 2x minus 1 into the remainder de 5x plus 1, and this is equal to 0. This implies 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies 2x is equal to minus 1 ko shift ka 1. This implies x is equal to 1 divided by the 2 ko chakra cross ka come out 2, so x equal to 1 by 2, or the solve again 5x is equal to plus 1 ko chakra minus 1, or x is equal to the 5 ko cross multiply ka but minus 1 by 5. So therefore x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to minus 1 by 5 are the roots of the given equation.